right over.
Good morning from a very wet David and Claire because we've just hooked up the caravan.
Somebody thought on a bright and sunny day yesterday it'd be nice to use the caravan for 3 days. We got over to the caravan storage and the heavens have opened.
Yeah, so we're rather wet.
I was going to do a film hookup and everything, but it was that wet I nearly drowned.
So we're on our way to Brecon for a couple of days. Just it's not too far from home, but we thought we'd just give the caravan an airing, isn't it?
It's first outing this year.
Yeah, and a bit of a break for us. So that's what we're going to do. We'll show you around when we get there.
So we are currently waiting in the lay-by in Brecon because you're not allowed on site apparently until 1 o'clock, and it is currently 5 to 1 because you can't be on site before 1, but it doesn't say that in the instructions.
No.
But Claire is reading the TripAdvisor things, and shall we say it's famous for being grumpy there. So we'll see how the 3 days pan out on a grumpy site. So whoever planning staying in Brecon, do not turn up 15 minutes early because they get annoyed. Even though you've booked your space, you've paid for your space, you've been allocated a space, you're not allowed in. So watch this space.
It's very hit and miss.
Very hit and miss.
Yeah.
See, very hit and miss apparently. So let's see if we get on pitch. Welcome to caravan life for 3 days away that we're on, and this is our humble abode for the weekend. That's the bedroom that I did the bed, you can tell by the mess of it. Claire will probably tie that up after and give me a row. There's our toilet and sink and bathroom and shower. Our clothes are currently drying because it's extremely wet out. We have a fully fitted wardrobes, heating system, cooker, nice set of units with all those china and everything, double oven, fridge, freezer, microwave, toaster kettle, stuff I haven't put away, big bar of chocolate, heating system, front door, and Claire setting up the Roku TV. Currently looking for YouTube.
Yeah, I haven't found it yet, so.
And this is the view in our humble abode, and the noise you can hear is the lovely dulcet tones of Wet Rain of Wales. So like I say, we're here now for a couple of days, and join us as we attempt caravan life. And so we did here for 3 nights until Monday, and let's see what adventures we can get up to. What could possibly go wrong? We've already had the guy being grumpy. The other guy was fine, the other guy was nice, so they showed us where we park. But hey ho, hit and miss as they say. We'll see what the next 3 days are.
What's it called? What am I looking for?
YouTube. Claire can't even know what the word YouTube is. Look at the concentration on her face.
Coffee. Oh, there we are.
There we are, she found it. Found YouTube, yay! It's not bad, it's the first outing for the caravan this year. Everything seems to be okay. My water pump has stopped working, but that's just a minor glitch, shall we say. We'll get that fixed, and then everything's back up and running. But we are literally 200 yards from the shower block, so we're not destitute in the morning with that idea. The shower doesn't work this weekend. But the water pump Claire's sitting on, and I know what's wrong with it. It just needs changing. So, join us on our caravanning adventure for the next 3 days. Welcome to Brecon. a campsite just outside Brecon. And it's very nice here now because it stopped raining at last. That's our Caravan, which is a Bailey Unicorn Valencia. And I need to clean the roof because the roof needs doing, but I clean the rest of it today because it's absolutely tipping down. So the roof I'll have to do on Monday when it's a bit drier. But it's a 4-berth fixed bed, and it's our little weekend getaway, but we don't use it as much as we should, shall we say. But that's our Caravan. So we've got a nice sunset over there in the distance. So I'm out to try the low light feature on the camera to see if it makes a difference this time of night as the sun is setting. But I notice it's all blue skies over there for a change. After torrential rain all day, we're back to blue skies. In front of us now is the shower, toilet block, area to clean out your chemical toilets, and place on the end to wash your dishes. It's all fully functional here. But look at the sunshine is actually out, look. All fully functional here, and like you say, it's absolutely spotlessly clean here. And well kept, shall we say. So let's go on up to the park and see what's up in the top field. Nice to be out in the sun for a change. We've been soaked twice today, setting everything up. So I do like the sunny day, or sunny evening. Let's hope it's a better day tomorrow for the rest of the weekend. But like I say, we're currently wandering around Brindich campsite and having a look. What's here? Dog walking area and pool pitch. Quite large. See, there used to be a way through here to the pub, but it looks like it's all been closed off as it's all locked up and fenced up, shall we say. Let's see if the DJI picks that up as a overexposure or comes out nice. We'll see in the edit. There's a cracking sunset this evening over the campsite. Gotta give it that. In the campsite there's a various set of pitches. You've got the hard standing pitch here with electric, and further down that way in front of me you've got the fully serviced pitches, which has got drainage facilities for your washing and shower and everything, so you don't have to take anything off site. And we've opted for the grass pitch today for a change, because this is our 4th time here, so we've opted for the grass. Also Claire's opted for being opposite the toilets, so it's quicker for us to have a wash and change, shall we say, in the morning. But like I say, there's quite a few empty pitches here, and the fully serviced pitches are just further past that camper on there. Some strange looking vehicles here, but like I say, there's our Caravan in the distance looking nice in the sunlight after an hour and a half of cleaning it this morning because it looked a bit manky outside. But it scrubs up very well for a 2011 model Valencia, and it does the job, myself and Claire, even though we underuse it and we need to use it more. Well, all I can say is it's looking rather black at the moment, isn't it? On the camping site. Big black clouds over there, but I'm decided to barbecue. So I'm doing my traditional barbecue out as we are out. So we have steak, beef skewers and chicken skewers. So I'm just waiting for my hot plate to heat up, then I'll start cooking. So we've got the outside connection barbecue on the hotel, on the Caravan, which is good. And I'll be just waiting for the plate to heat up a bit, which won't take long. Then I'll be slapping the meat down. I'll be using the grilly one today, I'm using the flat pack one. So let's just see how we end up with a barbecue. I haven't mic'd up, so using the camera or mic. We'll see if there's a difference now between micing up on the camera. There's going to be a difference. We'll see what. I never use the DJI Action Pro without the thing though. So we've got chicken skewers with chicken tikka skewers. We've got 2 beef skewers and a steak between us. Also food for tonight. And of course, we'll cook that bake thing if you want it.
See how I feel.
See how you feel. So let's see how we progress with our camping sessions. So I thought I'd get the cooking on now because it looks a bit black and it's glorious sunshine this afternoon.
It's actually gone quite cold as well.
It has. It's glorious sunshine this afternoon. So like I say, the Caravan's doing well.
Yeah.
You know, we've got new quilt for the bed, Claire's put on.
Yeah.
And like I say, so it's al fresco cooking tonight.
Freezing cold.
On my compact hardback, which I've used for years.
Yeah.
My Safari too. That's just a job for 2 of us, isn't it?
Yeah. Where's that?
See, you need smell-o-vision really, because you can't smell that cooking, but it smells fabulous. But you can hear it sizzle. I said you need smell-o-vision, you can't smell them. Cooking, but it smells fantastic. Slowly turn, into slow cook, catchy monkey. We'll come back with a little bit cooked more. The sky is still looking ominous compared to how sunny it was last night. Let's extend the pole to see what's happening. Okay, inside. Oh, the main question of the day is Claire wants to change the channel name. What to, she doesn't know, but she thinks she wants to change the name. So let us know in the comments below whether we should change our name, and if so, what to. And what I haven't said is that we've got a 10-15 foot awning on the side of this that normally goes up, and it goes along the top of the rail there, goes from the front to the back and out to at least 5 feet. But I haven't bothered putting that up this weekend because it's only the 2 of us, and they forecast a heavy thunderstorm with lightning tonight, so I've kept it down. We have got TV ports to plug into the telly outside, and we've got the outside barbecue port as well. So this Caravan has got everything that we require basically, and fair dues, we use it every year and it's doing well. We don't use it too much, but we need to use it more really. But cooking is coming along fine. Coming along lovely. All we can hear is sizzling.
Yes. And it's really, really cold.
Oh, Claire's cold. Claire's been warm all week. It's sizzling nicely, cooking lovely. Yes, I just said you need to. You look at it changing the name to what you don't know.
So if anybody can suggest anything, let us know.
Pop it in the comments below.
Yeah.
And here we have it. This is our Doritos or chips, whatever you call it, and dip and meat feast for the evening. Everything is cooked to perfection. And we'll see how it goes now when Claire tries some. And the verdict is?
Yeah, the chicken's very tasty now.
Yeah. Black pepper on the black pepper on the beef.
I don't know what it is.
Chicken tikka on the chicken tikka. So these bits by here on the chicken tikka.
Beef's nice.
Yeah, very nice, and black pepper on the beef. So that was our barbecue for this evening. Join us later. So how was your food, dear?
Really tasty now.
It is very tasty, very exquisite, and very nice. Good timing because it started to rain again. So this is the first time for me to use the camera in low light. Slightly short of breath because I've got to get everything in from outside because it's raining. But Claire's happy with the meal. Well, welcome to the campsite. This is our last night in sunny Brecon. It hasn't been so sunny as it's been raining. It's been a nice little breakaway, as they say, and not actually doing anything in particular. So relaxing now and in the caravan, isn't it, dear? Just had food. What's your view on the caravan then?
We got it for a while, haven't we? So
Had it for a while, we don't use it.
yeah, I don't mind using it. It's just every time I say to David, let's go away in the caravan, he's like, So may have to sell it because Dave's not that keen.
We've had it for 10 years. Like I say, we only use it about twice a year, 3 times a year. And yeah. So we'll see. If not, we'll just use it weekend work. We're off together. You're not going to use it midweek, innit? So that's the last night on the caravan. So we'll be packing up tomorrow and heading back to the storage facility for the caravan, and then back to good old WORK for 2 days. So if you like the channel, like and subscribe and ring the bell. And like I say, this is just an ad hoc one to try and use the new DJI Action 5 to see if it works in low light and different conditions. So like I say, I'll download this tomorrow and see what it looks like. So bye!